Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Google Keep Notes on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. Now I'm using iPhone device. So let me go to App Store. If you are Android user, then you can go to Play Store and search for Google Keep Notes. Now you are on search bar. Search Google Keep Notes. And here on topmost you can see Google Keep Notes and List. Click on download icon. Now it starts downloading. So this is how you can download Google Keep Notes on your device. So my Google Keep Notes has been successfully downloaded. To open it, tap on open button. Now you have successfully downloaded Google Keep Notes on your device. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.